So this is 10 kg or kilogram, and suppose how to type this kilogram symbol using a keyboard shortcut is discussed in this video. For doing this, you must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard. There you can see numlock key. So you must press this numlock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type in this section here. You must type 13199. So after typing 13199, you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that a symbol, that is kilogram symbol, have been added here. And suppose if you want to add some kgs, you must put here before of this area. See, for more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.